Hi everyone, this is Sadie Creating the Heart, and I wanted to do a quick little project share. I'm feeling a little under the weather, but I'm going to get some videos done so that I could actually get my Christmas stuff ready to be used, meaning my tags, my cards, get everything ready to actually be used because it's kind of crunch time and I'm really behind. So I am using this Simon Says stamp set. It actually comes with dies. I believe I got it on the Steals and Deals. It was $9.99 for both pieces, which is just really an amazing deal for this. Kind of a funky stamp set. It's called Hip Ginger. And it's just kind of fun. So with that one, I made a tag. So I tend to use the CC Designs tags. They're my favorite. I use them in most of my tag projects. I use them. So all I did was stamp the little clothes on some scrap that I had and then cut that out and layered it on my little gingerbread man. And then I used the Be Merry die from Lawn Fawn. I just cut off the bee part and just did Merry. So really cute, just ready to go on a project. And then I think I had another. I cut out like 4 of those. So the heck did I do with the other gingerbread man? I don't know what happened to him. He escaped. Huh. I cut out 4 gingerbread men. Anyway, whatever. So anyway, on here, oh yeah, there's 4. I cut out, this one looks a little bit different because what I did with this one is, this one I layered the clothing on there like I did this gingerbread. And then this gingerbread man, I layered his scarf, but then I used a Peachy Keen face stamp. So it does look completely different. And then use some white gel. And then I used the Mary on the bottom. And I actually killed this paper pad that I've had since 2015. So I feel pretty good about that. And this one, I just used a scrap piece of paper to create a tag. And then for the Mary, I did it with a piece of scrap. And then I did the same thing I did with the other gingerbread is I went ahead and I used the bow die that comes with the die set. And then my white gel pen and my Peachy Keen. It's the Winter Faces stamp set that I have. And so that one comes with a snowman face, a gingerbread face. I forget what else, but there's a different variety in there, which is kind of fun. So I did that. And then with this card, I used this gingerbread punch. This was actually in the clearance section of Stampin' Up, so I have no idea if it's still available. Probably isn't, is what I'm thinking, but this was a pretty decent deal, really cute and fun. And so I use that for this card right here. I just cut out or, use this die for this punch. For 3 gingerbread men, I use the Peachy Keen faces, and then I use the little pieces that come in here. I didn't use the heart, though, which I might still put the heart on there somewhere. But that's my card, and then it just says the Be Merry on the bottom, and I just love how they came out. I think they're really cute and fun. Thank you for watching. This is Sadie Creating the Heart.